Good day, everyone. Today, I am going to answer a question. Would you allow electrodes to be implanted in your brain in order to enhance the user experience and control everyday objects with thought? Why or why not? For me personally, the hesitation comes from the inherent risks of brain surgery and the deep, unexplored ethical and societal implications of merging the human mind with technology. Here are my 5 reasons why I am against using brain chip. First, we have invasiveness and surgical risk. Despite the claims of a non-damaging robotic procedure, the process still involves physically removing a piece of the skull and inserting tiny electrodes into the brain tissue. Any brain surgery carries inherent, though minimized, risk. We all know that our brain is very sensitive. Ang utak ng tao ay sobrang sensitibo na konting maling galaw mo lamang ay maaari itong magdulot ng sugat at maaaring makapekto sa ating buong katawan. Second, we have ethical and mental privacy concerns. The technology's ability to read brain activity and potentially store or manipulate memories raises major concern and ethical alarms. If thoughts are digital, they could be vulnerable to hacking, surveillance, or exploitation, compromising the user's mental privacy and identity. In today's generation and time, laganap na ang mga cyber attacks, ang mga cyber-related crimes. And kapag dinigitalize natin or nilagay natin sa internet ang ating mga thoughts, dito maaaring mahack tayo and maaaring mawalan tayo ng privacy. And worst case scenario, maaari itong gamitin sa atin para i-exploit tayo. Third, unknown long-term biological effects. This is a brand new technology. While animal tests show short-term health, like the pig in the video, the long-term effects of living with electrodes and an active device permanently implanted in the brain for decades are currently unknown. Fourth, we have technological dependency. Relying on a device for enhanced user experience could lead to dependence. A device malfunction, software bug, or required mandatory upgrade or update could immediately impact the user interactions with the world. And lastly, for number 5, we have societal divide. Initial costs will be quite expensive, or not just quite, but very expensive, as it creates a potential divide where only the wealthy can afford a cognitive or function enhancements, which can cause inequalities. Overall, I personally decline the use of brain chip in humans. Why? Our brain, ang utak ng tao, our ability to think and imagine is what differs us from others, like robots, plants, animals, and many more. The human brain is the most complex biological structure known, responsible for emergent properties like self-awareness, creativity, and the ability to contemplate abstract concepts like morality, art, and the future. Altering this physical structure with a non-biological interface fundamentally changes the source of human consciousness, risking the loss of its unique, unquantifiable nature. Once again, I am Miguel Angelo Emmanuel V. Vergara, and thank you for listening.